woman no draw me out. Once me come out, you see, once me bust the tent door, every cup broke, every coffee dash where me turn over all table. That time me uno spill coffee, but 13 turn over all table, 13 mash up the party. So do not draw me out, because let me tell you something. Let me just start by into this. You're ungrateful and you only use people. Thank God that only Sandra won. Because when I go to my supporter them, you have the one them tell me plain. Say they don't like you, then I give them money. One of them look for me and say 13. Me don't even go send my money come give for you. Send it. Go give her. Me make you know Sandra for the little money. And what you do, Sandra did forgive you traveling money. Sandra did forgive you traveling money. You nearly put me and Sandra in a bangarang. Me no talk. Me don't talk. So make we talk now, lady. Sandra, you and Sandra upon the phone. The first thing you gonna do, you have two big picnic. Nobody and you got tell Sandra forgive you traveling money. It start till hungry. It start till hungry coming at it. Sandra have our US them. When Sandra go, Sandra for send come me talk everything because me spill cup. And you come out here. And what you do? Like you turn leech pan the woman all 5 o'clock a morning. You call the woman. You don't know the woman from away. You go take up one holy pass something. When the woman a cuss me and Miss Sandra cuss. Never come out here. Come talk. Never come out here and come talk. Sandra couldn't live in a peace. From Sandra give you the money. The woman could not live in a peace with her phone. You go tell the woman how the woman for buy. When the woman with the US, after the woman send the money come, you never say 13. Thank you. You go tell the woman how the woman for buy sweatsuit and crepe. Send come give you. That you should have talked by your platform. That you need to talk. When speak my mind on me, when you go talk, you never talk to me. Like you call me name, so me go call back female. When me at course speak my mind, my girlfriend at Jamaica send me leggy live with the caption 13, you read wrong. You never talk to me. Me and you not talk on phone. Most time you call me, I look for your number, me not answer. More time you will say 13, listen, me have message from my phone, and me no listen, search down there, you never chat the woman. No tell no lie for me. That you need to come out and talk. Oh, me give me support if I donate to you. And when me give me support if I donate to you, you turn leech pan the woman till you want the woman come send your address. You look Canadian visa and send. Turn pan the woman. Why you not come out come talk that? Why you never come out come say 13 make her support a bless me? You never tell 13 thanks. Sandra, the first Sandra ever cost me. None of my other supporter them, Miss Canada, Miss D, none of them never felt for it. I could have the good heart of Sandra. Why you not come out, come talk those things? So one blogger support me big time. You think I can go in a problem now and go call the lady who give me the key? I would never do that because that's not my support. That's me a problem. I call Pastor Sandra, Sister P, or one of them. Me take me key, me take me something and me move on. That's not my supporter. That's somebody supporter that bless me. Some would have never looked for and beg the woman and me beg her, me tell her blessing, thank her. Something, me not in her inbox I tell her no this, I tell her no that. You should have talk everything. Why you not talk that? So Sandra fear run the woman care every minute you in the woman inbox. The woman WhatsApp. The woman bless you to take your blessing and go on every minute. You call on the woman they work at 5 o'clock in the morning because we 1 hour ahead of the woman, so 6 o'clock your time. Why you not tell people that? Why you come out so strong for me? All I come talk about speak my mind it pass and gone. Oh, you remember about speak my mind and you don't remember say me make me support you where you there in our inbox, where you there in our WhatsApp like leech human can live in peace. And why you never talk say? Since you know about speak my mind and say me this, why you never did remember say me did make Sandra bless you and you never tell me thanks? You never tell me thanks. You never tell me say Sandra gave the money. You never said 13. You never talk about it. Never. But you know what? I blame myself. It's the second time now. And this first time was with the Queens and the Miss Rain. Also, it's the second time now. Me did too enough. When you did call me that faithful morning and tell me say everybody where you got to for promote your page, I should leave you right there. After what it happened now, me should have did remember. I should remember because I say I do. Why you don't talk and tell? Oh, you over there talk everybody and you not talk so you turn leeches past Sandra. How dare you? Why you want a woman? You go look Canadian visa, you have a platform. When you cannot get what you want, you go send the woman to send her address, come give you. Why the woman to send her address have to go down a place where you got Scarborough or Scottsburg and the burg with one name? Figure look for papers to give you. Me when me and Sandra good friend, no friend no. Now ask Sandra for them to sit there. You just know the woman, you only use people. You only use people to get around. Come again. Make we talk about YouTube. And 1 week me take for monetize by YouTube. 1 week. When you go come talk, me no want you half a year because you is no threat to me. You are no threat to me in a no shape, form, or no threat. So I care me you attack. I care me you the talk. Cause if me did want go over YouTube, more that did reach over there long time. Care me you attack. I care me you the talk. Me come past social media with the vibes. All I did to you was good. Good. After see you come and mix me and tell lie for me. When you were nothing but ungrateful. When you were nothing but ungrateful. Why you never talk everything I say? One thing when you talk about speak my mind, so one thing should make her supportable. You forget that though. You remember about speak my mind. And you never call me. If you call me, me never answer. Leg you draw me attention to it. The way me get mad the day, me call Troy Tory. So when you go come out about speak my mind and you never talk to me. Enough time me have my phone in my hand. Enough of your voice note them me no open it. Enough of your voice note them me no open them. Enough time you call me and me have my phone in my hand and me nah answer you. Cause me nah go tell you no lie. Me will see you call me and me no answer you. Cause me no want nobody shut me up in a batty hole. Me no want nobody shut me up in a batty hole. Enough time I have my phone in my hand and you call me no answer you. You write message if I return your call. Sometimes when time I see you over here, share me say me will call you, me no call you. Even when you send me the message about with the lady, me say to you, if me and you did a chat the woman, me would go forward the message to myself and listen to it. And all when you come over here, say you write in the comment here. You say to me, say you send me a voice note. You send me a voice note. Me feel listen to it. You don't notice me no answer you. Cause me did find it very strange. So if me that chat the woman with your mother didn't know what if say I do not answer you. You remember about speak my mind and you don't remember say you not tell me thanks so when time I make Sandra bless you. And what a lucky things that me never feel no way when time the other people them say no them now look for you. You have one of them will tell me plain say 13 I don't like that woman. Now I send my money go give her. Sister D look for me and said to me, so that say, how yourself, you're the only recipient me have left. So you take up on the recipient that can't come in there for you not get my money. When time the woman for send the money, woman said to me, say 30, you know, me not send you no money. Me not send you no money because I know why you take it, send it, go here. My friend in England say, oh no, 13, oh no, not me. How you can do that? And you come out now and talk everything. Who you think me ask the supporter will bless me with the cake? Me not in the woman inbox. Me not in the woman WhatsApp. Cause it's not my supporter. And somebody else supporter bless me. And I know the supporter say I come bless me, but yet still me tell the person thanks. Me only not tell the person is who. Make them go tell the person say a them. But me tell the person at least thanks. You never talk on your platform so you get the money. You never talk. You never say 13 thanks. Cause 13 a word I use, you they use me. Then you take time to leech. How dare you tell woman to put US. The woman says she have the US. When they go, they not take the US. Sandra, they not. You tell Sandra, it reach that traveling money you want. Sandra send you the traveling money. And you are going to tell Sandra, say, Sandra for buy crepe, for buy sneakers, or sweatsuit. I send come give you. Out of order, the woman no live in a peace. Me and Sandra the per phone. And the woman phone, and you are calling the woman and a message down the woman. Me dead there. Me never come out here come try embarrass you. Me never say nothing to you. But no, you come with mix up and drama. And I make it look like say 13 do you something. And I go all one just speak my mind tonight. And then you have the heart to go tell a lie. You never talk to me when speak my mind. Never, unless I want to device do them, I know open them. But you say you talk to me. So that means to say me and you did have a conversation. Me ain't have conversation, girl. Cause me see you a call me, me no answer. Your voice no me no open them. Me no open them. Sandra never cuss me, and you make Sandra cuss me. 5 o'clock a morning, the woman a work, the woman husband work, them a working class people. Have 2 big job too. 5 o'clock a morning, the woman phone a ring. Woman jump out and sleep and you call the woman. She's not your supporter. She bless you through me. Thanks and go your ways. You start to take set. You start to video and show. You start and me tell Sandra say, Sandra, oh you go send money but kitchen come let me talk. Make me talk. Me say Sandra, hold a ball per phone. You talk, you're the over your type of when Sandra you start ball. You start to ball. How you not eat from yesterday? Talk no man. Tell the people. That you should have tell them. Then the Sandra she sorry for you and this kitchen. I promise to help you. I meet up Sandra. Mr. Sandra, the woman a build house because me still like it there. You not tell me but somebody call me and tell me. Say the house say you build house, me not grudge you. Cause my house done build already. My house done build already. And the only contribution in that for wire me house, me used to fuck a big man from JPS. And me work 3 jobs. A thrombosis mash me up. 1 in the morning, in the afternoon, go do housework, afternoon, go in the people house, go watch people pick me and still wash the plate and do look ironing and so them love me for that. And go sleep with one old lady at night time. Me did just have my apartment to pay for. Never get about 4 years, 4 or 5 years. Never get a free day because if me free as so today, me have to go down in the morning. Never get a full 3 days. But me never worry because the two boys they work down there. Me have to have summer to go back down in. Me never try to scam nobody. Me no red eye. Me never come out here and use the word and say everybody beg pan them platforms. So if me beg, no, that's not no. Me beg when me need. And me tap Sandra cause Sandra don't go send her money come give you. You say you show Sandra kitchen roof. Me say but answer landlord now after. Me say Sandra, oh you go send money. The woman a bill her house. You can't rent house. Oh you fi fix rent house Sandra. And the landlord fi fix it. All Sandra did have to do is take your name, take your information. You go about your business. When Sandra call you, a ball you start ball I tell Sandra say you not eat. Then you go tell Sandra say your son we carry something come give you for eat. So why your son never carry something come hey lady? Lady, me say me never go do it you know. Me say me never, you see when my sister you tell lie for me under the dick highway even though you don't call me name. But me know because me know a midi go take and speak my mind and a real good and me know you never talk to me. And you want to make mix up and you want to paint me like a me I put you in a trouble out here. And I'm going to come talk me and the one how me if you promote your page. And 2 things me I gonna do with my YouTube page. 2 things. The lady where them take away her page, I wait pan her. Either me I gonna give her the YouTube page or me I gonna send the YouTube page to give my friend at Jamaica and she collect money and eat her fight. Don't me tell you now. 2 things. The lady me I wait pan because the lady give me her money for promotion and me not have it to give her back. So either me I gonna give her my YouTube page or if she get back a YouTube page and she say for wait pan her, or I am going to tell my friend already at Jamaica. Me I go turn over the YouTube page and give her and make she eat her money down there a month time. Me no fussy. So I don't know where you get this from. When you come out and talk, why you never talk? Why make you keep that a secret? Me and you not talk up our phone. Cause many days you call me and me not answer you. No for your voice, do them when you send me not open them. Come here, avoid bangarang. Why you never come out, come talk that? So make we talk. Cause you know, she gonna say something to me. Cause when me see days are past and you never said thanks, me ask Sandra, did you send them, you remember to send the money for the lady? Sandra said the lady get the money. Then you start to turn leech on the woman. And when you go make that call 5 o'clock, I saw the woman call me and mad with me. Start to turn leech. Me say to you, say, build your page. Me encourage you. I encourage you. Me share you up, me promote you. And that's all you have to give to me if you come out past social media. Come and make it look like me bad. And you have speak my mind and you did talk to me. You never talk to me when speak my mind. Her leggy caption my friend from Jamaica send come give me. When you come out and I bring up that fire and I talk, oh Sandra, and you still forget to say thanks. You don't know Sandra from no way. You go look for your Canadian visa. You go send Sandra and I go like the woman obligated. Or all your address you want and are sitting them. And I go send Sandra this one holy person. No. What Sandra have to do with you go Canada? What Sandra have to live with, what Sandra have to do with you for Canada? Where you know Sandra from? Where you know Sandra from? Where you know Sandra from? You're only using people to reach where you want to go. That's why you cannot reach. Where you know Sandra from? That's you after Sandra give you the donation for your travel. After Sandra give the donation, you gotta tell Sandra. Sandra fi buy suit and sneakers send come give you. Huh? You even come and you tell one day, me never business where you want go. But you weren't even honest. You take Sandra money and you tell Sandra one day before. Like you tell them, say you go this a day or the day before you go. When it's a man you go America too. That no? And when you come down, you remember you want money for go build your house. You have this old kitchen that show everybody. I miss stop Sandra because Sandra would have sent her money come here for fix kitchen roof. Sandra would send her money come and give you. To fix kitchen roof. I missed a par. Cause if me not scammer, me can't go make you scammer. Cause you live in a rent house, you're not supposed to fix people's ceiling. But you want to go finish your house. And it is okay because everybody in the past social media, but you're not going to come scam my supporter, them and me not scam them. Me not scam them. If me want $40, me not tell my supporter them say me want 41 and 40 me want. And when me get something, me not either say me get it. You hear me talk about the cake? The supporter pay. Me supporter pay for clear the cake. I never pay $1. The only thing I do was eat the cake. May God bless that lady. And may God bless that blogger. Because he's not my supporter. Me know my supporter them. You never tell me thanks. Never. You never come out and say you get the money. Never. But you out here talk other things and forget. You never come out here come say you turn leech for Sandra. You never come out here and say you turn leech for Sandra till you call Sandra 5 o'clock a morning when Sandra is not Sandra of her time. Sandra now, when Sandra have her free time, Sandra now get up because she have to get up early every morning. You never. That you need to come out and tell people. So there's a big difference between me and you, because I will never turn a leech from the lady with the cake, because that's not my supporter. And I reach out to the blogger, never tell them the lady name, because I not call her name. I said to the blogger, thank you very much, your supporter make me nice. But me not tell you who no question me. My gone. You never say 13 thanks. You never come out and talk. But you're in a Sandra, you're there on Sandra phone every minute till the last thing you go America and come back. I want to reach Canada and I go send go ask Sandra for your address. And I go send on one whole heap of something to Sandra. You don't know Sandra from nowhere. You're only going around using people. And when you cannot get where you are, you come out and disrespect people. You don't have nothing else to tell me. Say me have rotten foot. But God bless me, I not have a big platform, but me have a small platform with a small set of people. If me 5 little supporter them when me have, if Miss Moms are England, with me ride and die, but me have a supporter and then send me something, me get something. And the one them America, if everybody send me 20, me can read something. I can read something. Down to GT we send money. GT, I mean no answer GT, come no know. GT they are Jamaicans are young youth. I say GT send me message on my phone. Oh, him can't send me money. I mean no answer him. I don't answer him. Me no answer GT. Down to GT. Send me message on my phone or he can't send me money. Me no answer him. I don't answer him. So me no in no problem with nobody. So no in no problem with me. When you come to talk, you need to tell people everything. You come out and you talk and you hold that. Where you know Sandra from, Sandra give you the money. Thank you, lady. Bless you. Bless up. Christmas come, one holiday come, you send her. Every day you're in a Sandra phone. Every minute you're into the woman phone till you finally got send the woman. When the woman for send her address and I sitting them come here for you get visa for go to Canada. I don't know Sandra. You don't know Sandra from nowhere. And me make people know you're out here. And me make people know you with the goodness come out and beg people for follow you and beg people for support you. And thank God me and somebody with bad mind because some liberty with me here. Cause see these are 13, you are recipient. You are the only recipient me I give my money as a blogger. Don't come tell me about nobody. Only Sandra me could have did talk to. One tell me plain. Miss Canada tell me 13. If it's not for you, don't come and call my phone. My brother in England said to me, say you better fuck off. Not my money. Only Sandra won. Because when you see I won, somebody donate $20 to you. Only Sandra won fall feet and nearly fall deeper. Because when me say to Sandra, me ask and Sandra come to me. And Sandra come to me. Remember that. And me ask Sandra if she send you the money, and Sandra said she send you the money nearly that time and nearly a week. I say wait. How me say Sandra never said nothing to me till you go call the woman before there. Where you did a bother her for? Where Sandra for send money come give for fix and a rent house? How me stop Sandra from being scammed by you? Ask any one of my supporters them if ever hear him. Anybody when me ever I beg you know, any one of you when me ever ball to her phone. All when me want me medicine. All when me want me medicine, me injection when I save my life and my blood no sleep up on me. Ask them if me ever cry to them per phone. You can ball to Sandra per phone, they per life, good. Then when Sandra call you, you ball. Tell Sandra say from the day before you not eat. Till the woman want put on in food and go send money go give you. Then you tell the woman say your son. You're so wicked that you tell the woman say one son you have. Me say no, she have a daughter that lives right there. So why when Sandra could have did send the money come at the time, then you change your son with carry something for you eat. So why your son never carry something for you eat the other time? Never ball to none of the part here. Me ever ball to nobody. Lady, don't draw me out, because you be telling you all the while, you know. You don't know what me know. You don't know what me know. And because me not say nothing to you, me not know it. Me just don't want go down there with you. Me just don't want go down that road with you. I just do not want to go down that road with you. Because a famous Sandra, famous supporter. Sandra no go nowhere. And no from now from over trending. And Miss Sandra walk behind. Anywhere me no go. Sandra, Miss Canada. All Miss Canada, she don't go nowhere but over here. Them they are Fimi supporter. You not see them nowhere. Nowhere you not see Sandra, Miss Canada. But over here, anywhere you see them go, and me them go behind. And me them go behind. I never see the lady with donate me the cake, me donor. I never go into her something or trouble her. Because that's not my supporter, that's another blogger supporter. I respect that. I don't know the blogger send her come buy no cake. But me tell the blogger thanks. Don't call her name, make she go tell the blogger. You never tell me thanks. Even when you criticize me for your life and I tell lie for me, you never say bad to bad. She did say her supporter bless me. That's keep under the talk everything. Talk out from the day me make you know Sandra can't live in a peace through you. Talk everything say from the day I let you know Sandra. You turn rich and pestilent pan the woman. Till y'all go tell the woman to buy your sneakers and buy your sweatsuit. Send come. Send to you. And you just know the woman for sure you. That's not that me don't know that sound greedy. The woman bless your thanks, go on. Every minute you're there on the woman phone. Every minute. You and the woman is not friend. Till you're gonna send the woman one holy passing thing. The woman a married woman, so the woman, because then you know, say if you're married, you have to care. The one holy pass something, I say people, a true uno no know, me say Sandra, give me a piece of tracing and tell me any day, name day. Me ever send back nobody to her. Me not go like it. Me and Sandra never have nothing yet, and you make Sandra cuss me. Do man not helping family them to come now if anybody want them go look them visa themselves. Do man not send the address to give people. But you want the woman to verify because the address and then the woman live far from out of Scarborough 1 hour and 30 minutes. You don't know the woman from nowhere, and that you have to talk about. Anybody would have vexed about it. And if I didn't, me would have gone along, but so that's why the day when Sandra cussed me, all me could have do is tell Sandra sorry. Sandra, no, you put me in a problem, because you put me in a problem with Sandra. All me have to say, Sandra, believe you, me no know nothing about this woman, me no know. That it sound ridiculous because me no know nothing about you, but me send her gone for money. Because you all are going to reach to ball in a video in a show Sandra kitchen roof. When I traveling money, you go far. The woman will bless me with the cake. Me can't go out of myself and go call the woman and go say, lady, not even for me injection. Me could go do it. When the woman call me about my cake, I could have got set to her to buy me little grocery, no? Them something that turn off people. You are the weapon against yourself for make you not prosper. Sandra call you for bless you. Where you go ball and I go tell Sandra say you no eat from yesterday. Then you go ball